Welcome to GOYUM, 70 tons per day cashew nut shell liquid extraction plant installed in Tamil Nadu, India by GOYUM. The process initiates at the intake section, where raw cashew nut shell are transported via a redler conveyor into the expeller cooker. Inside the expeller chamber, high-pressure mechanical pressing begins. The cashew nut shell liquid is extracted and passes out from the small openings in the chamber. Oil cake is simultaneously routed to the bagging section for final packaging. The cashew nut shell liquid is channeled to the storage tanks. The cashew nut shell liquid then undergoes neutralization section, where impurities are removed to ensure oil quality and stability. Boiler is used to provide steam for reaction vessel to remove impurities and other particles.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon to get new video updates.